Hi, Achy Dad here. I've been sent a microphone to review. This is probably the best looking one I've reviewed. I'm using a wired $30 lavalier now, a Power DeWise, which is great. This one's about $480. Let me see, it's a Comica CVM-WM300A. So you can even like this use an iPhone 8 to get two people talking, and I guess it's auto mixed down to mono, like I said. Recording. So what you're hearing now is mono, and the music you're hearing is from this mic on my laptop, which you can hear, and this mic here. So it's mixing. I did some tests and it wasn't working, and then I figured I needed this Comica 3.5 millimeter mini jack with the three little black bars converting from two black bars on the output. I might have mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned, you need another converter that's 3 channels from a mini jack to lightning. That's what I've got going here. I can't get stereo into the iPhone 8, and I haven't had time to dig deeper to see if iPhone 8s take stereo or KineMaster, Scene Master will open up stereo on an iPhone 8. Maybe I'll mic you sometime? Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay. You should be on TV. 96 channel Zinc alloy UHF rechargeable wireless dual lavalier for looks like SLRs and smartphones with the 394 foot range, and 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, so you can do 2 people. All right. By the way, I'm using my old version 1 Apple Watch as a viewfinder. So with a smartphone on a dorky, one of those desk light articulators with the springs, I can use my phone with the good camera pointing at me, and I can see what it's seeing in the watch, which helps. Anyway, what do we got here?
I don't know that.
Oh, it's the same. It's what we said. It takes 2 people talking, and it goes to the camera. I wonder how it mixes. It says XLR camcorder. That's good as the old XLRs. DSLR, smartphone. All right. Well, we're going to unbox it further and test it, but we got to take this guy to camp right now. You ready? All right. All right, let's unbox this puppy. This feels pretty good. These are a little smaller than I thought. They're nice and heavy. Might even be metal, not just brushed aluminum plastic. That's a transmitter. That's a receiver, I guess receiving both channels. Headphone and output. Transmitter. Mic. Infrared, IR. Reset button and charger. Yeah, they're nice and heavy. Silica. Mic. Tripod mount. This feels okay, a little light. Mini jack. Same thing. Looks like an extension. Short extension. I could be getting that wrong. And I will do a sound test. Up. I suppose it's not really a dead cat, maybe a dead kitten. Windshield. Charging cable. Charging cable. Kitten. 3 clips. I'm going to try to do this without reading the manual. You're going to have to use it a lot in different scenarios like the city. Oop, it's upside down. And the country, and where there's different interference. All right, we're going to boot it up. It's a couple buttons on here: volume, power, and set. It looks like we got green, 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 green. So that's going to go on my belt. Plug into the I'm using an iPhone 8. This is going to be a mic. And we're going to see if this just works. I'm going to put one mic, I guess, on something playing music. And I'm going to put the other mic on me and walk around and see if it just automatically mixes the two channels into an iPhone. All right, so now I'm going to unplug this. You can hear it, right? I'm going to unplug it. 520 megahertz, 550 megahertz. It shows 2 volumes here. I'm going to set this up. Okay, I actually had to read the manual, and I'm using the mic right now. I did some tests and it wasn't working, and then I figured I needed this Comica 3.5 millimeter mini jack with the 3 little black bars converting from 2 black bars on the output. I can't get stereo into the iPhone 8, and I haven't had time to dig deeper to see if iPhone 8s take stereo or KineMaster, Scene Master will open up stereo on an iPhone 8 recording. So what you're hearing now is mono, and the music you're hearing is from this mic on my laptop, which you can hear, and this mic here. So it's mixing. So that's as much as I can do before I have to pick up the kids from camp. What I'm going to do now is walk, leaving the mic by my laptop, which is playing a song called Tinker off of YouTube's royalty-free music. And that's right by the speaker, and I'm walking. I'm walking. This is one wall. And I'm outside. It's 2 walls. Sounds pretty good in my headphones. I'm walking. I'm going to try to walk about 150 feet. I hear the music on my laptop. And this, of course, means when you're editing, you won't have 2 tracks unless you can get the iPhone 8 to accept 2 tracks in. Here I go. I don't want to walk into a badminton net. All right. Let's see. All right, here we go. I'm back here. I'm behind the chicken coop. That's 2 more layers of chicken wire. Doesn't seem to have any effect. I'm down to 2 bars though on the one that is recording my voice. Of course, the one next to the laptop is at 5 bars. So that's pretty good. I don't see any change at all walking around. So you can even like this use an iPhone 8 to get 2 people talking, and I guess it's auto mixed down to mono, like I said. Somewhere there might be an attack cat. Oh, there she is. Onions. You're not an attack cat. You're just like a regular Siberian forest cat in the middle of a hot day, wishing you were in a Siberian forest. Maybe? Yeah? Maybe I'll mic you sometime? Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay. You should be on TV. Oh my God, can I get your job? Let's see, what is your job? Her job is to nap. That's her professional job most of the day. Run around playing with the kids, being cute, giving us lots of love, patting her and purring, and then she goes to sleep like the rest of us. And we feed her, so she's kind of like someone on a really good retirement plan, where she basically naps as a profession. Maybe she's like a 98-year-old retired person. Wonder if that sun is glaring off the lens. Let's see. So, I'm still hearing the music. This is awesome. The mic sounds pretty good if I go like this, like this, like this, like this. I don't know how much other noise it's picking up. Let's do a Roomba test. An old Roomba here. Let's turn it on. That's a Roomba working right under me. Not sure how much you can hear it. I'll walk away from it. Walk away from the Roomba. All right. That's as much as I can do today. Done's better than perfect, so that mini jack, 2 channels to the 3 channel, to the, I might have mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned, you need another converter that's 3 channels from a mini jack to lightning. That's what I've got going here. All right. Whew. All right, I gotta edit this puppy. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and let me know anything you'd like me to do better or more. I love to review things, especially products for families like ours, living pretty simply, sustainably. Young kids, achy father, shoulder aching, holding phone up, especially because it's got this heavy receiver on it. So before I start shaking and from being achy, I will just say, stay audible out there.